Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best ties for teenage boys aged 14 to 16 is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked aspects of a young man's wardrobe, playing a crucial role in making a statement whether it's for a formal event, a school function, or even just to elevate a casual outfit, ensuring that every young gentleman can confidently express his personal style and make a lasting impression with the perfect neckwear that balances sophistication with youthful flair. Number 5. AUSKY Elegant Adjustable Pre-Tied Bow Ties. Introducing the AUSKY collection of elegant bow ties. Designed for both men and boys, they offer a sophisticated look with ease. Our bow ties are fully adjustable, ensuring a comfortable and perfect fit for everyone. No more fuss, just flawless style. Enjoy the convenience of pre-tied perfection. These bow ties are ready to wear, saving you time and effort for any occasion. Available in various pack sizes, you can choose the perfect set for your needs. Whether it's for a single event or a collection, we have you covered. These bow ties are designed to add a touch of class to any outfit, suitable for men and boys alike. Elevate your formal or casual wear instantly. Crafted with attention to detail, our bow ties are made to last. Experience the blend of quality materials and timeless design. What we like. This set offers incredible value with 8 stylish bow ties, perfect for ensuring you always have the right accessory. The adjustable, pre-tied design makes them super easy to wear, ideal for quick dressing before school or events. If you need a variety of options and value convenience, this pack is a fantastic choice for any young gentleman. What people say. The ties are a good length for teenagers, not too long or too short. The fabric is soft and durable, holding up well to frequent wear. The patterns are stylish and modern, perfect for school events or formal occasions. Number 4. Children's Place Boys Striped Tie. Introducing a timeless striped tie, perfect for any occasion. Its classic pattern adds a touch of sophistication to any young gentleman's outfit. Designed for convenience, this tie is easy for boys to manage. It ensures a neat and presentable look with minimal fuss. Crafted from soft, comfortable fabric, it feels great against the skin. Your child can wear it all day without any discomfort. This tie is incredibly versatile, suitable for parties, school events, or family gatherings. It's a staple accessory for a polished look. Complete any formal or semi-formal outfit with this essential accessory. It's the perfect finishing touch for a smart and stylish appearance. What we like. Featuring a timeless stripe pattern, this tie adds a touch of classic style to any outfit. It's incredibly versatile and pairs well with a variety of shirts and suits, making it a go-to for everyday wear. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-match tie that offers a smart casual look, this is the one for you. What people say. The tie is made of a good quality material that feels durable and looks great. The length of the tie is perfect for teenagers, not too long or too short. The pattern on the tie is subtle and stylish, making it versatile for different occasions. Number 3. Tommy Hilfiger Boys Twill Solid Tie. Introducing a timeless accessory for your little one. This tie offers a sophisticated touch to any formal or casual outfit. Crafted from high-quality twill, it provides a smooth texture and a refined look. It's designed for both comfort and durability. The solid color design makes it incredibly versatile. It pairs effortlessly with a variety of shirts and suits. Whether it's a school event, a family gathering, or a special celebration, this tie is the perfect finishing touch. Experience the quality and style that Tommy Hilfiger is known for. Elevate his wardrobe with this essential accessory. What we like. Crafted from premium twill fabric, this tie offers a refined and sophisticated appearance. Its solid color makes it a versatile staple that can elevate both formal and semi-formal attire. If you desire a polished and classic look that never goes out of style, this tie is an excellent addition to your wardrobe. What people say. The ties are made of a good quality material that feels durable and looks great. The length and width of the ties are perfect for teenagers, making them easy to tie and adjust. The variety of colors and patterns available is fantastic, offering options for different occasions and outfits. Number 2. Live in Light, Devotions for Teen Girls. Welcome to Live in Light, a daily devotional designed just for you. Navigate your teenage years with faith and confidence. This guide offers practical wisdom and spiritual encouragement. Discover how to live out your faith every day. Each short devotion is perfect for busy schedules. Find inspiration and strength in just 5 minutes a day. Experience uplifting messages that speak to your heart. Grow closer to God and understand His plan for you. Embrace this exciting chapter of your life with a foundation of faith. Let these devotions illuminate your path. What we like. This devotional offers meaningful reflections tailored specifically for teen girls navigating their formative years. It provides guidance and encouragement rooted in Christian faith, fostering personal growth and spiritual understanding. If you are a young Christian woman seeking inspiration and a deeper connection with her faith during adolescence, this book is a perfect companion. What people say. The ties are made of good quality material and have a nice sheen. The length is perfect for teenage boys, not too long or too short. The patterns are modern and stylish, suitable for various occasions. Number 1. Spring Notion Boys Pre-Tied Zipper Tie. Introducing a stylish and convenient tie designed for young boys. It offers a pre-tied, woven look with an easy zipper closure for quick dressing. Getting ready is a breeze with this innovative tie. The built-in zipper makes it simple to put on and take off, perfect for busy mornings. Crafted with a woven texture, this tie provides a classic and polished appearance. It adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Whether it's a school event, a family gathering, or a special celebration, this tie is a versatile accessory. It ensures your child looks sharp and put together. Designed for comfort, it stays securely in place throughout the day. Your child can move freely without worrying about their tie coming undone. Make dressing up easier and more stylish. This pre-tied zipper tie is the smart choice for hassle-free formal wear for boys. What we like. The woven texture gives this tie a unique and stylish look, adding subtle detail to your ensemble. Its convenient zipper closure ensures a perfect knot every time, making it incredibly fast and easy to put on. If you value both style and speed in your dressing routine, this tie is an ideal solution for a sharp appearance with minimal effort. What people say. The ties are made of a good quality material that feels durable and looks great. The length and width of the ties are perfect for teenage boys, not too skinny or too long. The patterns and colors are stylish and modern, making them suitable for various occasions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.